Welcome to the deep dive. We cut through the noise, get you the insights you need.
That's right.
And today, we're diving into something really critical if you're selling anything online.
Product photography, it's huge.
Exactly. And specifically, this tool our sources mentioned, CleanPix, it seems, well, pretty interesting.
Yeah, it really does.
Because we've all done it, right? You're scrolling, and that first picture, it either stops you or
you're gone instantly. That visual snap judgment.
that's the hurdle. That's what we're looking at.
Yeah.
You could have the best product ever, but if the photo is, cluttered or it just looks unprofessional.
People just scroll right past, no second thought.
So our mission today,
Mm-hmm.
figure out how this CleanPix thing helps sellers. Like instantly fixing backgrounds, making products look great.
And boosting sales, supposedly. All for free.
Mm.
And no fancy software. That's the claim.
Okay, so if that's the problem, let's unpack why. Why are clean images so, well, powerful online?
Well, our sources really stress this point. It's not just about looking pretty.
Right, it's deeper than that.
Yeah, it's about decision fatigue. There's just so much visual stuff online. A clean image, it kind of cuts through. It's like a shortcut for your brain that signals quality, signals trustworthiness, especially when you're looking at pages full of results.
That makes sense. Less mental work for the customer.
Exactly. And what's fascinating is the direct impact, the psychological bit that actually hits your sales.
How so?
Well, by getting rid of distracting backgrounds, all that clutter, you create focus. Your eye goes right to the product.
It's okay.
And it's not just aesthetics. It's guiding the customer, removing any visual static or hesitation before they convert, before they click buy.
Right. So that leads us to CleanPix itself.
Yeah.
Here's where it gets really interesting.
Yeah.
What does it actually do?
Okay, so the core idea is AI.
Artificial intelligence doing the work.
Yeah, it apparently detects your product in the photo, isolates it from whatever background it's on, your messy kitchen counter, whatever.
And then, what do you get?
You get back a transparent PNG file. Basically, your product perfectly cut out. Ah, okay, so it's ready to use anywhere.
Exactly. Drop it on a clean white background, maybe a lifestyle photo you have, or even something branded. It's like a one-click fix. From, meh to market ready.
Wow. Okay, that sounds really useful.
And the benefits for online stores seem pretty significant. First off, no watermark. That's important for branding.
Definitely. Keeps it looking professional.
And it's instant, like seconds, apparently. Images ready to go.
We're waiting around.
Nope. Plus, it works on mobile and desktop. So you could literally be snapping the pic and fixing it right there.
Editing on the fly, huh?
Yeah. And the big one, zero cost. Completely free.
Free is always good.
It's more than just good, though. It kind of levels the playing field, doesn't it?
Okay.
Makes that professional look accessible to everyone. Doesn't matter if you're tech savvy or have a big budget.
That's a great point. I can almost hear sighs of relief from small sellers thinking about fighting with Photoshop.
Right. Forget hours of editing.
The sources give a good example. Say you take a picture of, a mug you made on your kitchen counter. Okay, yeah, dishes in the back, maybe a chair.
Exactly. The usual home photo setup. Instead of needing a whole photo shoot redo or expensive lights or software.
You just upload it to CleanPix.
Right. It zaps the background. Then you can pop that mug onto a plain white background. Or maybe like a nice coffee shop scene you found.
And suddenly, you've got what looks like a studio shot in minutes.
It sounds genuinely transformative for someone starting out.
And it directly helps you sell more. Think about it. First, meeting requirements for places like Amazon, eBay.
Oh yeah, they have strict image rules. White backgrounds usually.
Crucial. Gets your listing approved, makes it visible. Then on Etsy or Shopify, it just boosts your credibility, makes you look more established.
Builds that trust we talked about.
And good images get shared more on social media, right? Builds confidence. It even maybe subconsciously makes the product itself seem
More expensive. More desirable.
Precisely. It subtly shifts perception, which, raises an important question. What kind of competitive edge does this actually give you when everyone else is still struggling with bad photos?
That's it. That's the aha moment from the sources. It's not just a nice photo. It closes that visual gap between, say, a solo creator and a big brand.
Instantly elevates how people see your stuff.
So what does this all mean for you listening? Well, whether you're a big seller or just starting out.
Maybe just selling a few things on the side.
CleanPix seems like a way to seriously upgrade your product images. With no cost, no technical skills needed.
Which is pretty amazing.
The suggestion from the sources is simple. Just try it. Take one photo, maybe one you're not happy with now.
Upload it, remove the background.
Yeah, then compare it to what you're using. See the difference in professionalism, in appeal? It might surprise you.
Definitely worth a shot if it's free. It leaves you with a final thought, though. Considering how easy and, well, free this thing is, what does this mean for the future of selling online, especially for the little guys, the small businesses, the creators trying to compete in this super visual world? How does this change the game?